For decades, we have come to accept that even the best hearing aid will always sound like a hearing aid. But now, with WIDEX Moment, the artificial metallic sound associated with hearing aids is eliminated. In most other hearing aids, the amplified sound reaches the eardrum later than sound that travels directly through or around the ear tip. When these two sound waves mix in the ear canal, interference is produced that results in that traditional hearing aid sound. WIDEX Moment with zero delay technology processes the signal faster than ever before, leaving users with hearing that sounds less like a hearing aid and more like the pure and natural hearing they remember. We call this new hearing experience Pure Sound. In tests, WIDEX Pure Sound was preferred by 85% of users, both new and experienced, across different sound scenarios. It's only because of our attention to detail, ability to innovate, and unwillingness to compromise that a hearing aid like this is possible. And we do it all so that your clients can gain the hearing clarity they need to reconnect with their lives, so they can get the most out of every single moment. WIDEX Moment. This sound changes everything.